Honest Ones. So today we're gonna be playing Roblox. And you guys remember I haven't got the face reveal, but I just tricked you on that sandbox one. So we're going to play the sinking ships. Oh, you're gonna die if you sink.
Who's gonna die?
Not joining. I'm trying to join the bridge. No bridge. Bow, cafeteria, Stern. Wait, we can't go in Stern. Wait, let's check what will happen. Oh, it's sinking. It sank. Is the water there? It's really getting fast now. Hey, my jeans. I'm like a half. Oh. It's going closer to me. Waiting for it to get more closer. When does it really go? I just floated here. Whoa. This one is safe. Yay. Oh, I'm glitching. Look at that boat. What's wrong with the boat? What's wrong with the boat? The boat is also sinking. Ay. We're controlling his own boat. Can someone give me a refresh of this boat? I'm sinking. We're flipping. The boat's flipping. I must be the driver. I'm the driver. I'm the driver. You people stink. Kunik.
Wala na klase yan. Dahil naglalaro na.
Go. Steer.
Kaya na.
Maniner mo niya na hindi siya.
It's a horrible sound. Guys, censor. Listen, don't fall. Whoa, we're sinking. This boat is now getting wiggly now. Now people are scared. My boat's just perfect. Get off of my boat. Whoa, we're sinking. Getting damaged. Let's go. Whoa, this is getting crazy. This boat. It's back on. Oh wait, it's half. Whoa! Hey, careful! You be better next time, you boat. I'm gonna drown! No, the boat. Guess we're gonna die on this boat. Hit like so I can survive, guys. Help. Go on the driver seat. Come on, driver. You guys didn't like the channel. I respond. You guys must like this channel in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Restart the ship. When is it restarting? Oh yeah, this restarts on like 10 seconds. Never mind. It like starts on like too long. Like it's 10 seconds, but waiting too long. That guy's driving my boat. What on the earth are you? Are you a driver? He always bumps his head. Hey. Calm down. Esa Bills. Oh my god. What is he doing? He's wobbling the boat. What is he doing? He's distracting his drivers to join. Yeah, I was lying. It doesn't even spawn on 10 seconds. I know you guys will dislike this. I know. So, I'm sorry, it was my fault. Well, subscribe too, so I will never make that mistake again. Oh, spawning new ship. Oh. This thing's so tough. I think I said it, I get on the Kevin. This is where the cabin is. Upstairs. Another. There she laddies. Yo! I came for you, Booty. I came for you, Booty. That's me, treasure, you know. Oh, save me. Hit the like already, so I won't die. Guess you guys didn't really hit the like. 2 times I told you. How many times I have to tell you? Hit that like on 4 times I told you. Where am I? Clay. How do we get Rocky up here? Get all the way to the top. Make brain, help me. Let's do stop. What the? I don't know. That girl said, I don't know. I'm captain. The captain died. Jacoby is not the captain. Jacoby. Jacoby's not. You know, if he really the captain. Wait, never mind. The captain died. Hey, this ship's something wrong with this ship. Hey, ship. I didn't say the bad word. I just said the ship. The boat. I meant to say boat, but I decided to say ship. S-H-I-P. Ship. Well, I just really need to fix this one. No. I gotta rejoin because something. Well, we're gonna rejoin. Sinking ship. Restarting game. Restarting record. Hello guys, I'm just joking. Joking is really fun on you. Oh my gosh! Stem is the only one left. Immigrate! 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 Immigrant! 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 Oh my God! I was yeeted to the sky. Did you guys saw that I was yeeted to the sky? Where's the ship? There's the ship! Man, I'm gonna die. Jump, jump, hurry! Hurry, hurry. Wait, I'm reviving? Just no, I'm gonna die. Look. I'm dead. Slow-mo death motion. Slow-mo death motion, I die. This is why you people didn't like. So be happy. Do I not look happy to you? No, you look garbage. Grape gelatin, he's garbage. Gelatin is some kind of garbage, and we don't know why. Cause he's so Cause you know, he's so crazy. And I wonder how. I wonder how. Hop. Whoa. Let's keep going up. Get all the way to the top, me boys. Jump. Wait, this was a yacht? Get my own out. Get my own out. Everyone's now falling out the ship. They're falling out the boat. What? It's so dark again. Wait. No, so blind. No, fair. We're gonna die. Help us. Help. Who's the driver then? Ah! It's so dark. Where's the ship? Ship? Where's the ship? Ship? Where in the world is it? There was the ship. We all just died. Now we're There's no boats. On this thing, there's no boats. We're just gonna die. Okay, you guys will see until I stop this cutscene. Never mind. Wait. Is the boat sinking? That's another yeet. I was yeeted 2 times now. 1 high yeet and 1 medium high yeet. Is this boat sinking? No, consider that. Consider that. Let's check the downstairs. Look at the other downs. Whoa! Getting wiggly on this thing. Blib, blib, blib. It's getting more higher. Wait, it was really sinking. Jump, 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 jump. Jump, jump, jump. Get up. Good, the boat's not sinking. See it. Hey, it's floating! It's floating! It's floating! Look at it flow! Everyone's out of control. Who's driving this ship? Who's driving this ship? It's out of control. It's wiggly. You dude! These guys are just messing around. What are you doing, people? We're gonna wiggly wobbly sink. Tick, 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 tock, tock. Yeah, we're really gonna sink. No! Let's wait. Tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock. Tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock. Okay, it's really sinking. We're out of control, everybody. We're all gonna die. Get on this thing. No! Get to the top. Guys, I have a fear of water. Water. Oh, wait. Just kidding. Dude, I'm just pranking this guy. It's a joke, guys. When is this thing coming all the way to the top? Let me just give it something. My legs are not sinking. Oh yeah, I'm really sinking. It's really getting more higher. I'm going up. Like this water is pushing me to the top. Let's go down here. Oh, it's sinking also. Bubble blobble. I'm stuck. I'm cornered. No, not the exit door. Guys, hurry up. Mommy, aren't you coming? Me? I'm just out of shield. Okay. Hurry up. No, Fiery. Wait, is Fiery your dad? Yep. BFB memes. Fiery Jr.'s dad died. Do. Get up. Get. Oh, now we're falling. We're falling all the way here. This is not good. This is bad. Whoa! Yes, I got in. I just jumped and got in. Da da da, dee da da. Dabba-dee-doo. Hold on. Blah, blah, blah. Fix the other people. Release this boat. Release this boat. Release this boat. Release this boat. Release the boats. I said release the. Get down. Fine, whatever. Tennis ball is safe with this. Goodbye. Did I actually just die? Dude, change the red macaron. Of course. No. Guys, I can't drive. There is no captain. Dude, this guy's lying. The captain died. Captain is dead. Gets out. What's wrong with this guy? Lighters. Powers. This guy's chats are really so annoying. Door stuck. Point trophy. It's really working. We're controlling the ship. We're controlling the ship. What's wrong with the ship? We're controlling it. We're controlling this big fat ship. This boat has been controlled by the both of us. The one who's driving the small boats are controlling the big ship. I mean boat. I just said S-H-I-P, the ship, but not the bad one. Dude, just drive this, dude. Can someone drive this thing? You guys are annoyed. I guess turn off. Come on. There's no captain. There's no captain. Yep. Yep. Yep.
Oo nga, pansin ko nga. Hanggang labas, linig.
Uy, dapat na naman siya. Wala naman siya gagawin.
Yes, bump that boat. Yeah, dude. We got out of that ship. That boat.
Oh,
We're
yeah.
got out of that. Whoa. The boat's pushing us. Quickly, go. Go. I am spin. Stop.
Higla na siya.
Now go.
I wonder how. I
Wonder why.
Yes, to do you do me by this rabbit.
Hindi alam.
Someone jumped out.
Hindi alam ni Liam.
Alam ko.
Ano?
I wonder how. I wonder why. Yesterday it told me about a blue sky. Oh! Ow! 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 Made that girl sink. Ow!
And I wonder.
Ah! Whoa!
I'm turning my head.
Up and down. No.
Turning around.
Spin to the other side. There, oh. What's wrong with this guy's ship?
Ano ship?
Boat or sheep?
The ship. The animal.
The ship,
The animal, that is bababa.
the vehicle.
Oh, no, the bababa.
Magnunag ba kayo?
Mag-online class siya.
Sino?
Daddy? Whoa! It's killing! It's killing! Oh!
Papaturo kay Teacher Johnny.
Na 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 na
Kakantakin ako ng, ano,
na 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 na
No, no, no! Hey! Backwards. Full speed ahead, my boys!
My boy. Sa mga gay.
Go! Hit the rumble!
Nalabi.
This one's so big.
Oh my God.
Yeah, get the move. Oh yeah!
Hindi
Uy!
naman kasi nag-sleep.
Hoy, ikaw kaya hinood.
We're all gonna die. We're going to die.
Uy, hindi ka naman tumawag sa SSS. Sabi mo kita eh.
We just jump over their ship and then they just become wiggly. Whoa.
Tumawag.
Get on the upside down ship. Why they're just do the Blackfoot?
Sino ba yung ship?
Shit, the vehicle.
The black sheep.
Have you any wool? Yes, sir. 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the dame, 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Blah, blah, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. Pink sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. 1 for my master. 1 for the master, 1 for the day, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baba,
Ayun,
black
meron
sheep.
sinta.
Yun.
Meron
Parang-
sinta.
They should be
Oh,
English.
i-record
Save
mo
all
yun.
people in the shh.
Para alam nila yun, i-record mo.
Dude.
Ang sabi.
Buti nga rin, kanina probayasan ample time to coordinate to member those department.
Leron. Bye-bye. Oh, that girl's gonna die. No, we were gonna save you. Everybody jump in. Jump in the boat. Jump in my boat. Jump in my boat. Help me, please. Everybody get in the boat. The boat's wiggly. Everybody's wiggling the old master's boat. There, everyone is controlling the boat. Now we're gonna get out of here. That's why I was going to the back.
Applyan mo yan. Sabi mo, saan ba ako pupunta talaga? Saan ba ako ano talaga? Hindi ba kayo yung pwede nyo sa gumawa nun? Kasi total system niya yan eh.
Backwards.
Nakakailang balik na
Here's the drive. Now done, girls. Now, whoa. Get out of my ship. And no one gets you.
Sila sa
Bro.
bus eh.
Good, now you're just ruining my ship. Now it's got that. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, little boy. Actually, I really miss that little boy. Never mind. I didn't miss him. Let me just go back here. And then over there. Ow! Who did this girl just leave my boat? I'm trying to get to the vacation. We're like the lamish. Hop, move! Take that. Yeah. Whoa, guys, we're getting wiggles. Take this. Whoa, take this. Yeah. Wow.
Ang sabi sa IT
Guys.
lang, o bakit?
No. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Get up. Go to the back. What? Guys, here, blob, 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 blob. Lucky 91738 drowned. Okay, drowned. This looks like Minecraft. Typing in the chat. I'm
To your office. Kailan ako pumunta?
going to the boat. That
Nine.
boat.
Last
Boat.
February.
Brr, 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 sheep, brr, 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 brr. Blur, 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 sheep, blur, blur, blur. One for the master, one for the two. One for the little boy who lives down the day. Pop, 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 sheep. God, almost there and done. Oh! The ship's now getting windy. I hope there's some boats like the tiny boats. The tiny white Despacito loses.
Ang gusto ko ngayon.
The tiny tacos white Despacito. Why Despacito, dum-dums? It's called the tiny tacos and white Despacito. And Despacito. Reply!
Anong number ba nakalagay?
My associate Lisa. Wap, 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 wap. Whoa, whoa. This time I don't fall again. And I didn't fall this time. So go in.